Yes, have you noticed this everywhere online? People saying that 2026 is like 2016 again, and the all internet is obsessed with it. Right now, TikTok and Instagram feeds are flooded with old photos, lofi filters, even nostalgic music throwback from a decade ago. People are captioning that 2026 is a new 2016 as if we are rewinding time. But what if I told you this trend is not just about fun, old memories, or photos? It reveals something deeper about how American middle class feel right now. Because 2016 was simple, 2026 is complicated, and the complication is not just about cultural, it's financial. This 2026 is a new 2016. This trend began almost as soon as the year started. Users are posting old resolution selfies, old effects, everything that reminds social media then. It's not only about everyday people, influencers, celebrities, all global icons sharing old memories too. And the searches for 2016 have jumped high across TikTok and Instagram. Millions of people are actively seeking nostalgia. So why would millions of people in the world around you want to relive 2016, especially 2026? Think about 2016. It was not perfect for many. It was simpler. There were fewer headlines about AI, fewer economic uncertainties, no pandemic fatigue. Social media was not filled with fear-based news and algorithm pressures like today. Some people say it feels like a last era of innocence before the digital world got too heavy, before endless ads, constant comparison, and the economic stress became normal. And that feeling is connected to how people think about their finance today. That is the key point. Most people missed it. People don't just miss the old fashioned filters, they miss the time when life felt less financially stressed. Because when people feel financial pressure, debt, inflation, they romanticize the past. In 2016, many middle class Americans were not feeling today's inflation, driven cost, fear, increased rent, and stagnant wages relative to expenses. That financial comfort, real or perceived, becomes a psychological marker we want to go back to. When people cannot control their financial future, they look backward and 2016 becomes symbolic. A decade ago, middle class household had fewer debt pressure, fewer skyrocketing rents, fewer economic uncertainties, and less digital pressure pushing consumption. So instead of dreaming about 2027, they dream about 2016. This is not just a fashion trend, this is a financial psychology trend driven by a nostalgia for a time people associate with less economic pressure. So what does this trend tell us about 2026? It tells us about people are tired of inflation, tired of debt, tired of financial uncertainty. Instead of looking forward, they are looking backward. And in psychology, we call this regret-driven nostalgia, a longing for a time when financial stress felt less overwhelming. So when the financial stress increased, people view the past with rose and colored lenses, even if that past had its own problems. So yes, 2026 maybe feels like a 2016 on Instagram feeds, but that's not the real reason of people are nostalgic. It's because today's economy is heavy, unpredictable, and emotionally draining, and middle class is looking for a time when life feels simpler. Nostalgic is not about past pictures. It's about what your heart actually miss. And right now what people miss is financial peace. If this made you think differently about a trend you saw everywhere, subscribe to Financial Stress, where we decode culture through psychology and money, not just emotions.